Okay, let's dig into this. We're looking today at a really common challenge businesses face with AI adoption.
Right.
And it's maybe not what you'd first think, not the tech itself, but something more fundamental, a conceptual thing holding progress back.
That's exactly it. You see companies pouring money into AI, but the real question is, are they actually set up for it? Mentally set up, I mean.
Yeah. Are they ready to use its unique power? So our mission here is to unpack why this outdated thinking is such a bottleneck and what needs to change.
Exactly, because traditional software, the stuff most businesses run on, it's all about rigid rules, predictable, if this, then that.
Right. Step A always leads to step B. Worked
Yeah.
fine for that world.
But AI just isn't like that. It learns, it sees patterns, it deals in probabilities, likelihoods, it adapts.
It's trying to jam that into the old rigid boxes.
Yeah.
It just limits everything.
Yeah, it's like trying to, I don't know, run high-speed rail on old cobblestone streets. You just can't get the performance.
Makes sense. So the big question is, why is it so hard for businesses to move past those old ways, even when they see AI's potential?
Well, the sources point to a few things. First, just plain old comfort.
Uh-huh. The familiar is safe, right? Even if it's inefficient. If it ain't broke.
Exactly. That inertia is huge. Plus, a lot of people misunderstand AI. They think it's just like supercharged automation, doing the old stuff faster.
Missing the shift to probability and learning.
Totally. And then there's the fear factor. AI can feel like a black box, not transparent like the old logic gates.
Okay. And you can't ignore the huge investments already sunk into existing IT systems. That's a big one.
Massive. Plus, skill gaps and not just needing more data scientists, but getting leaders, designers, everyone thinking differently, thinking AI first.
And instead, they get stuck tweaking small things, right? Incremental changes, missing the chance for real disruptive improvement.
So, okay, if that's the problem, what does this new way of thinking, this AI-ready mindset actually involve? What's the toolkit look like?
Well, first, embracing probability seems key. Designing things so users can actually work with likelihoods, not just demanding certainty.
And building for continuous learning. You need feedback loops so the AI models actually improve from use. They don't just stay static.
It's more about augmentation, too, isn't it? Not just replacing people, but making them better at their jobs with AI as a partner.
Absolutely. Augmentation is a core principle, and that changes the user experience. You need transparency. Why did the AI suggest this? New ways to interact.
Data has to be central from the get-go, designing applications around the data AI needs.
Making data a core asset, yeah. And moving towards being outcome-driven. Define the goal, let the AI help figure out the best path, instead scripting every single step.
Which means you need a culture that supports trying things out, right?
Oh, definitely. Experimentation, agility, prototyping, testing, learning fast, that's crucial.
Okay, that's a big shift conceptually. But the sources mention practical tools that can help bridge this gap, something called WorkflowGen.
Yes, this is interesting. It's a low-code workflow platform, and it seems designed to tackle exactly this tension between, structured process and dynamic AI.
How does it do that, practically speaking?
Well, first, it lets you map out and redesign your existing processes before you even add AI.
Ah, so you clean up the process itself first.
Exactly, get the foundation right. Then it allows for what they call a hybrid agentic approach. You can gradually plug in AI agents, like from OpenAI, Google, whoever, for specific tasks within your human workflow.
So humans stay in control.
Yes, humans stay in the loop, reviewing suggestions, handling exceptions. It makes AI adoption feel less daunting, more manageable, and it makes the AI governable.
It addresses that black box fear because it's integrated into a traceable workflow.
Precisely. And they use Arvid retrieval augmented generation, so the AI gets context from your company's data. Makes the outputs much more relevant and grounded.
So it helps shift away from rigid rules towards processes that are more dynamic, more data-driven.
It seems so, yeah, by making it easier to integrate different data sources. And because it's low code, your actual business users can get involved in designing these AI-powered workflows.
Which helps spread that AI-first thinking.
Right, and keeps the focus on augmenting what people do, not just automating them away.
So wrapping this up, the core message really is that successful AI adoption hinges on a fundamental mindset shift, away from rigidity towards probability and learning.
Yeah, it's less about the specific tech choice and more about being conceptually ready. And tools like the one we discussed offer a practical path to start building that flexibility and experience.
The future is definitely AI augmented. The real question for you listening is your mindset ready for it?